Let's say you want to water your tree. Live trees, you need to water basically daily and make sure that the reservoir that's in there is water filled always. If it ever dries out, your tree will dry up and then it will die a lot sooner. So if you're have presents all stacked up under there and the reservoir is all the way down there, it's about a gallon reservoir back there, and you want to either check the water level or anything like that, you have to go reach down and kind of put your fingers in there to see if the water level is high enough or not. Or you can use this new watering system. Pretty easy to create. I used an empty box. To cover up the actual system. I have it sealed up pretty well because in case someone does knock it over, I don't want it to spill. So black line shows where the maximum level is. The maximum level will be the same exact height as where the edge of the reservoir is. So to fill it, I just add water here. There's piping that wraps all the way around. And is tied to the branches and goes all the way into the reservoir, to the bottom of the reservoir inside. Can't really see it, but it goes all the way into the bottom of the reservoir. And to make sure that the water is still flowing, just lift up the bucket for a few seconds, make sure all that air gets pushed out of the hose, and I'm done. Cover it back up. Cost me is a 2-gallon bucket here. And the hose and all cost me under $10 to do. It's a lot easier for watering your system and keeps everything nice and neat and dry.